Okay there, class. Today we're gonna do some IXL. So pull out your computer. You're doing your IXLs G8 and G9. Get to work. One minute later. Good job, everyone. You finished your IXLs. Now it's time to go to lunch. So I hope you have a wonderful lunch. Okay, goodbye. After lunch. So what did you have for lunch there? Yeah, it was good taco natas. Yeah, they're good. Hey, Mrs. Alaska? Yes, Southwest and Southwest Junior. Can I use the bathroom? No. Why? Because you forgot to use the bathroom during recess. Please, Mrs. Alaska, give us a chance. Okay. The two of you go, even though you're classic Southwest Junior. We're gonna find the bathrooms. Yes. Let's see. The boys are right there. The girls. The girls. Ah! Oh, wrong bathroom. Alright. Now let's go back to class. Okay. I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull the fire alarm. That's a good plan. Ha 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 ha. We're gonna see how it goes. What is Southwest and Southwest Junior taking so long? It's the fire alarm. We better get out. Attention everyone in the school. That was a false alarm. Pulling the fire alarm is a naughty thing. Good job, everyone. You learned how to do the fire drill really well. Now let's go back to class. Alright, good job, everyone. That was a false alarm, though. Who just pulled the fire alarm? Who just pulled the fire alarm? It was Southwest and Southwest Junior when they went to the bathroom. Southwest and Southwest Junior, did you pull the fire alarm? Tell the truth right now. Yes, we did. That's it. Southwest and Southwest Junior. That was really stupid. Why did you pull the fire alarm? You know you could get expelled from the school. Go to the principal's office right now. So Southwest and Southwest Junior, why am I in my office? Well, Mrs. Air Canada, me and Southwest Junior pulled the fire alarm. Oh. Southwest and Southwest Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know you can get out of the school for this. That's it. You're expelled. Go home right now. When Southwest and Southwest Junior got home. Southwest and Southwest Junior, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it. The two of you are grounded until PJ Speaker reaches 35 subscribers on YouTube. Go to your room now. Why?